Alright, this is my Diamondback decoro bike check. Diamondback decoro frame, mongoose handlebars, Odyssey arron grips, which I don't really like too much. Eastern stem, concrete standard headset, generic forks, stolen revolver wheel, maxxis tire, poverty 3-piece crank, generic 25-tooth sprocket, mongoose chain, shadow conspiracy pedals, animal GLH tire, stolen revolver 9-tooth rear wheel, eclat plastic combo seat, fly bike seat clamp. You can see I've got some animal stickers, danscomp stickers, and Madison, if you're watching this, there's your sticker I made. Yeah, the other side. Yeah, and all together it weighs about 27 pounds. Not too bad for the first bike I've completely built by myself. So, there we go.